Derivative mishap and lessons. What is this? Derivative mishaps. The derivative can be used for hedging purpose and also for speculative purpose. Hedging purposes, I have an asset, I want to get a good price for it, so I'm doing hedging. And speculative is usually gambling. Due to the attribute of financial derivative, derivatives are believed to be financial weapons in a mass destruction. Yes, these derivatives are being used as financial weapons. Why? In the time of Corona, the crude oil price fall below zero. That is minus $33. It fall below. What does it state? It states that the total market fall down because of the corona. That was a financial weapon. For those who want to deliver the goods, need to pay $33 to deliver it. Such kind of market happened. There are many cases where derivative has proven very fatal. Organization even brought them to niche. So this derivative is not a good thing. It has brought down to niche. Lessons from derivative mishaps. What is it? Don't buy any derivative product that you don't understand. If you have money, you want to gamble, don't come and gamble your money here in derivative unless unless and you until you understand what is derivative contract. Due diligence before making treasury departments and profit centers. Before buying anything, you should understand what is it, how it's operate, why the good is coming in, who is buying it, who is selling it, who are the speculative traders, how many actual buyers are there, how many actual sellers are there, how many percentage speculative people are there, is how is the demand of the supply is there. You all to see that before you come into this kind of derivative contracts. Specify the risk limits, how much you can lose. That you need to specify. Then you can trade out. You can't lose more and you can't lose more. Plan what to lose. Then you go on. Separation of front, middle, and back offices. What do you mean by separation of front, back, and middle? So the decision should be taken. The buying, selling should be one department. Research should be one department, analysis should be one department. You can't mix everything in a single thing. So when you have example, don't put the stock departments of finance department. So they will make catastrophic reaction. Don't bring the shareholders to accounts department. So have that separate department for separate things. So those they want to see the inventory, they should focus on inventory. Those who are accounting only should focus on accounting. Those who want to manage everything should be managed separately. Have everything separately when you're doing commodity trading. Ensure hedging should not become speculator. What do you mean? Sir, you're hedging. Why you're hedging? You want to get a better price. That's why you are hedging. Don't make it like speculation, gambling. That's being said here. Carry out simulation tests, scenario analysis, etc. What is simulation? What is happened? Go to paper trading, how the market moves, how it behaves. You have a get a simulation. There are many softwares. Simulate over it. How it will, if you want to buy what is lost now, how you going to take care of it. And if you have gain, how you going to take care of such kind of simulation. If you do it, after that come to trading. Scenario analysis is for every problem, you should know the solution. You can't just gamble your money. So what if the price falls or what is the price increases? Profit is good, but loss is to be prevention is better than cure. You should understand everything. Is regarding the derivative mishaps and lessons. Thank you.